I'm filled with a mixture of emotions. This journey, which began with excitement when I first arrived in Almaty, has been transformative. The support from my family, fellow Afghan women, peers, and mentors has been invaluable. I am grateful for the opportunity that the UNDP and the European Union have provided us. However, there is a bittersweet undertone because the future remains uncertain. My father inspired my decision to pursue a career in agriculture, emphasizing the vital role of women, specialists in providing food for the Afghan people. Now, as a young agriculturist, my conviction in this career chaos has only strengthened. The importance of sustainable agriculture and food security is more evident to me now than ever. Seeing the potential impact of my work and difference it can make in communities has reaffirmed that I made the right decision. My commitment to this field and desire to contribute positively to society have grown stronger. The situation in Afghanistan has brought about a complete disregard for women's rights, making the future incredibly uncertain for many of us. Despite this, I remained hopeful and determined. My immediate plan is to seek opportunities that allow me to continue my work in agriculture, whether in Kazakhstan or another country that supports women's professional development. I aspire to become a leading agriculture expert who can contribute to global food security efforts and advocate for women's rights in agriculture, regardless of where I am. Most of all, I fondly remember the hands-on field work and community engagement. Learning directly from experienced farmers and applying theoretical knowledge in practical settings were invaluable. Additionally, the friendships and connections I made with fellow students from diverse backgrounds enriched my understanding of global agriculture practices and fostered a sense of solidarity and support. My sisters, be strong and hopeful despite the current challenges and restrictions. Do not give up on your dreams and inspiration. Education and professional development and powerful tools for change. Seek out every opportunity, no matter how small, and continue to believe in your potential. Remember, the strength and determination of women can bring out remarkable changes. Stay courageous and united, and know you are not alone. I'm strong, so are you.